Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will solve the assignment number 1 of English class 7th. First of all, we will choose the correct options in question number 1. The caged bird sings with fearful trill, with joy, with zest. The answer is with fearful trill. Number 2. The poem Caged Bird is written by William Wordsworth, Maya Angelou, Whiston. The answer is Maya Angelou. Number 3. What does the free bird do while flying in the air? Option A, enjoy breeze. Option B, mourn. Option C, shouts. The answer is enjoy breeze. Number 4. Bars of rage is used as metaphor, simile, alliteration. The answer is metaphor. Number 5. An early bird means someone who does something prior to usual time. Who gets up early? Both A and B. The answer is A, someone who does something prior to usual time. Now we will answer the following questions. Question number 1. In which context caged bird, clipped wings and tied feet are used in the poem? The answer is clipped wings mean trimming a bird's wings so that they cannot fly. In this poem, the poetess uses clipped as a metaphor for the systematic forms of oppression which prevent class mobility. Tied feet is also a metaphor and indicates lack of liberty and distressed life of promises. Question number 2. Consult a dictionary and write meanings of float, claim, freedom, dawn. The meaning of float is rest or move on the surface of liquid. The meaning of claim is formally request. The meaning of freedom is the power of act or speak. The meaning of dawn is the first appearance of light in the sky before sunrise. Question number 3. Draw or paste pictures of birds that we can keep as pets in our home. स्टूडेंट्स क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में आपने बर्ड्स की पिक्चर्स पेस्ट करनी है या फिर खुद से ड्रॉ करके इस आंसर का क्वेश्चन लिखना है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. कैन यू पॉइंट आउट एनी डिफरेंस बिटवीन बर्ड केप्ट एज पेट्स एंड दोज एट द जू? आंसर. Pet birds are very affectionate, develop a close bond with the pet owner. Zoo birds are the reason to amuse the visitors all around. Question number 5. Write few lines about your favorite bird. Answer. My favorite bird. My favorite bird is parrot. यहाँ पर इसके स्पेलिंग आप ठीक कर लीजिए. The parrot is very beautiful bird. Its feathers are green and its beak is red and curved. Around the neck of parrot there are black rings. It is a lovely bird. Last question. With the help of given words, write a story and then give a suitable title. The words we have are birds, wings, sing, cage, free, sun rays, trees and fly. And we have to create a story using these words. Answer. The title of the story is The Caged Bird. Once there was a bird who was locked in a cage. He had pretty yellow wings. He always sang the sad songs. He wanted to be free and to fly on the trees and see the sun. One day a servant was cleaning the cage. The bird found the opportunity and flew out. He did not look back. He was free to fly and sing the song of joy and freedom. Students, I hope you have noted down the assignment number 1 and you can also check out the other assignments of English and Science of class 7. For that you have to go to the main menu of channel and search the playlist of assignments. Take care and you must have to subscribe the channel and share as much as you can. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.